What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to easily fix lag in Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel and improve your overall performance while in game. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, open up the game and navigate to your game settings. Under General, select Quality and change this setting to normal and not high resolution. This should in turn fix lag caused by your graphics card. Below, change your game resolution to your native monitor resolution. For an abnormal screen resolution, feel free to set this to 1920 by 1080. When changing the view mode to full screen mode, you can expect a higher overall frame rate, but this will also come down to personal preference. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, then I suggest enabling NVIDIA image scaling, which will increase your performance by a lot. To do so, you should use the GeForce Experience application. Here, in the Drivers tab, make sure that the most recent GPU driver is installed. If this is not the case, then click on Download to automatically download and install the newest driver. When this is done, navigate to your GeForce settings. Here, scroll down and enable the image scaling option. This will boost your overall frame rates when playing a game on your PC. After applying your changes, make sure to leave the game running and open up your task manager by searching for it in your Start menu search. In the Processes tab, right-click the Master Duel process and select to go to Details. In the Details tab, the masterduel.exe process should be highlighted. Simply right-click the process and set its priority to High. In order to reduce the CPU utilization from other programs, I suggest you end some programs from running in the background, which you don't need when playing the game. But make sure to only end programs from running, which you know won't break your operating system. In the Startup tab, you can additionally prevent programs from starting up on system boot. You can then close your task manager and Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel. When this is done, open up your system settings window. Here, navigate to the Gaming section. Under Game Mode, you have the option to enable or disable Game Mode on your PC. In theory, Game Mode should prevent Windows Update from performing driver installations and sending restart notifications, as well as help achieve a more stable frame rate while in-game. Most users have reported that disabling this option will drastically increase their gaming performance on Windows 11. I suggest verifying if this will improve or worsen your overall performance while playing Master Duel. In your related settings, select Graphics. Click on Browse to change some custom graphics settings for Master Duel. In your File Explorer, navigate to the drive on which you saved the game on. The file path to the Steam version is Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel, and here select Master Duel. This will add Master Duel to this list below. When selecting options for Master Duel, make sure to set the graphics preference to High Performance, which will, in most cases, take advantage of your graphics processor to help run the game on your system. Keep your settings window open and search for Update to get to your Windows Update settings. Make sure to check for recent updates, and in case there is an update available to you, make sure to download it before restarting your PC, which will install the update for you. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.